Enther was created by a team of professionals passionate about well-being, aromatherapy, and living a happy life. We are a group of friends that has made a difference in this field by creating natural, organic bath bomb recipes that only uses organic edible pigments. That is how we came up with the Enther Bath Bombs gift set, one of the most popular bath bombs on the market, and we are working on new products and gifts. Searching for the perfect gift for a friend or colleague? Trying to get rid of stress and anxiety? Enther Bath Bombs gift set is the right pick for you. Carefully packaged in a beautiful hard box, these bath bombs will help you step away from your challenging life and relax. With help from these outstanding, organic bath bombs, you will be rejuvenated, regain an appreciation for your life, and boost your well-being and happiness. The Enther Bath Bombs gift set is a perfect gift for anyone and a wonderful way to improve your current mental state, thanks to its great properties and benefits. While other products often fall flat, the Enther Bath Bombs gift set is designed to offer quality, relaxation, and tons of bubbles in seconds. Naturally perfumed by premium essential oils, our organic bath bombs are perfect for the ultimate bath experience. No more awkward moments when your bath bomb won't dissolve at all. With the Enther Bath Bombs gift set you have 100% dissolving with no oily smell. Instead, our natural bath bombs bubble on contact with the water, offering you calm, relaxation and happiness. Enther Bath Bombs contains only organic, edible pigments. There are no dyes or unwanted chemicals, so our products are safe for kids and adults. The Enther Bath Bombs are large at 3/17 ounce, so they are great for a long bath. You also have a hassle-free 90-day return as well as complete support for your purchase. Enther Bath Bombs are FDA certified, and they are great for aromatherapy sessions and stress relief. If you feel stressed, depressed, and you want to find a new perspective on life, then enjoying a bath with the Enther Bath Bombs gift set can be the right pick. The premium packaging and multiple scents make this product a great gift for loved ones as too. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.